Hi, this is Gary from landofcoins.com. Thanks for clicking on this video and watching it. Appreciate it. And today we're going to talk about the 1851 Liberty seeded dollar. And this coin, you have to be careful when you're looking at 1851 Liberty seeded dollars because there's two versions. There is an original, of course, that was minted in 1851. Then about 10 years later, they did a restrike on a 1851 Liberty seeded dollar. And it was made about 10 years later. Could have even been during the Civil War. But the difference between the two is very easy to determine, as long as you know how to do it. You just look at the date. So the 1851 original sits a little higher on the coin. It's almost touching the base, the land, where the Lady Liberty is sitting. It's almost touching the rocky point on the land, and it's very far away from the bottom of the coin, the rim. Whereas the 1851 restrike, which was done 10 years later, is right in the middle. It's perfectly centered. The date is centered between the land mass and the rim of the coin. So that's how you determine the difference. Now back to the original, because that's really what this video is about. They minted only 1,300 of these coins. And what that means is, at the time, 1,300 was a low mintage. Everybody knew that this coin had a low mintage. So what does that mean? That means that everybody kept them, and they put them in their drawer or kept them in a safe place and didn't use them. So because of that, there's many of these coins that are in mint state. In fact, about 70% of these coins are actually mint state grade. There are about 62 total that have been certified, so very low certification because there was only 1,300 of them. There's not that many out there to pick from that are certified. I think PCGS has about 30 of them and NGC has about 30 of them. I can't remember the exact numbers, but there's a low amount. The average pricing, or the average grade, is MS60, and the average price for that coin is about $45,000. So what we're going to do is take a look at the Land of Coins history guide, and we're going to see how these coins have appreciated in value.
Okay, I'm on the landofcoins.com website, and now we're going to go and look at the price guides and also the mintage guides. Actually, since this is a low mintage coin, let's look at the mintage guides just to show you how that works. If you ever want to find quick access to mintages of coins, just click in the navigation bar, Mintage Guides. You'll see the cards come up. Then just go to the coin that you want. And we're looking at dollars because we're looking at the 1851 Liberty seeded. So we'll just click Liberty seeded. And there it is. And this page gives you examples of what the coin looks like, of course. The two different varieties for the Liberty seeded dollar, with motto and without, but we're looking for 1851, so we'll scroll down and you'll see right there. 1851, only 1,300 coins were minted. And actually I'll make this bigger for our mobile phone viewers so they can see it a little better. We'll do that, and there you are, 1,300. You'll notice the coin, or the years before, 40,000, 7,500, 62,000, 140,000. So the previous years, there's many that are minted. This one, 1851, 1,300. So that's why it was kept and not really put in circulation, many of these coins, because people knew that it would more than likely be valuable because of the low mintage. Now let's go over to the price guide, and we'll show you how these coins have gone up in price. So we'll scroll up to the navigation bar, we'll click Price Guides, and this page shows you coin values from the 1950s all the way up to today, how the coins have gone up in value. And we'll scroll down to dollar since we're looking at the 1851 dollar, and scroll down to 1851, and there it is. And yes, I will make this bigger so you can view it. So what we have here is, you'll notice, let's take VF20 for example. 1958, a very fine 20 grade, $430 was the price. So expensive coin for 1958, but doesn't matter because it keeps going up in value over the years. Now that same coin is about $7,500. Looking at an MS-60 example, it was $630 in 1958, but look at it now, $41,000. So this is a great coin to have because it's rare, first of all, and next it produces great value over the years because it is highly sought after. People need the coin to complete collections. Even in a G4, you could pick this coin up for $4,000. Back in 1980, it was around $700, $725. So it's about a 5% return over the years from 1980 to 2015. And what a great coin to have. Good appreciation and good value. So thank you for watching this video. And go to landofcoins.com if you'd like to buy and sell your coins with no buyer's fees and no seller's fees. And also you can check out the price guides and the mintage guides. And that's facts and values on the 1851 Liberty seated dollar. Thank you for watching.